Joining us now is David Charns, investigative reporter from our affiliate in Las Vegas, who was in court today. David, thanks very much for coming on. Appreciate it. All right, so before I play a little bit more sound from the judge in court today, explain this to me. He's claiming insanity. He's pleading guilty on some charges, but not others. What's going on?
Right. Dan, this is sort of a weird thing that we don't often see happen. Usually someone comes into court, they have various charges, and they're guilty or not guilty on all of them. What we saw happen in this case was Deobra Redden pleaded guilty to 6 of the 7 charges leading into this trial. The trial, which was now in its second day with Judge Holthus there on the witness stand as the first witness to give testimony, was only on an attempted murder charge. And what actually happened later today, right after the judge spoke and her law clerk spoke, is Deobra Redden took a last-minute plea deal saying that he's guilty but mentally ill on that final attempted murder charge. So in a very odd chain of events, something that I've never seen covering trials here, is we saw the testimony, we saw the video for the millionth time in our newsroom for sure, and the law clerk gave his testimony about what happened. There was a little bit of a break, and then we had a plea deal. But certainly the first time we've heard from the judge speak about what actually happened to her.
So that's fascinating. So the judge testifies, and I guess then the guy realizes, okay, I've got no defense here, and he decides to plead guilty. Sounds like he's going to, try to get mercy from the court for that. Let me play one more piece of sound from the judge today. This is number 2.
There was blood everywhere.
Where did that come from, if you know?
Shane, my marshal.
Did you look at Shane?
I did.
What did you see?
His forehead was literally sliced open, and the skin had been just flapping as he was trying to protect me, even though he was hurt, but he was getting blood all over the bench. There was clumps of my hair on the floor. The calendar papers were all covered in blood.
It doesn't sound like there was much of a defense here. Do we know how is the marshal doing now?
So a couple weeks after this all happened, I did see the marshal back in court, and I laugh about this because I said this to someone in the courtroom, but whoever was his plastic surgeon really deserves a raise, because you can't even tell that there was anything there. And the pictures were quite gruesome. And as she was explaining there was a lot of blood on her bench. The scene after was a disaster. It looked like a tornado had blown through. The marshal's doing fine. Obviously, I think the judge is still pretty torn up about this. She was escorted in the courtroom by marshals. There were 6 courtrooms there were 6 marshals in the courtroom. And clearly from her testimony, we saw her cry, and she's shaken up, and she had to not only face her attacker, but also she faces people every day who hopefully don't do this, but it's something that, really could happen to any judge in that building.
But to be clear, it's now over in terms of the testimony. He's pled guilty. We're going on to sentencing now?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay.
So here in Nevada, you can plead guilty but mentally ill.
Yep.
He did that, and a judge will sentence him in November to a minimum of 3 years in prison.
David Charns, thanks for joining us. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.